Shocking revelations by Bishop K.P. Yohanan of Believers Church. The news in detail. K.P. Yohanan's Believers Church was raided by the Income Tax Department and seized crores. The money amounting to about rupees 6.5 crores has brought in as foreign currency and subjugated India's economic stability. Karma News contacted K.P. Yohanan, Bishop of Believers Church, and got a shocking revelation. Father Yohanan revealed that he is now in US and he is completely unaware of any information regarding the assets or day-to-day business regarding Believers Church. He claimed that he was righteous and is not sure about the assets of the church in Kerala. He also denied the ownership regarding the Chirvalli estate. The assets of K.P. Yohanan, or rather Believers Church, of about 17 acres of land, bank accounts and many institutions has been hijacked, and everything is now under the control of Father Sijo Pandapallil, who is the PRO of Believers Church. All the empire under Believers Church is now in the hands of Father Sijo. The master brain behind all this is Father Sijo. Now, Father Sijo is the priest who is looking after the affairs regarding Believers Church in Kerala, and he is the main culprit behind all these allegations. Believers Church has got more than 30 trusts all over Kerala, and Yohanan clarified that he is not a member in any of these trusts. All this is now controlled by Father Sijo. Yohanan also said that he feels pain coming to know that in spite of doing all the things to the poor, to the needy people, nothing has reached the needy. All this money has been used for illicit purposes by Father Sijo. He also said that the condition of his family is still struggling and they are in extreme poverty. Meanwhile, his family members also alleged that the hospital under the Believers Church has not provided free care to K.P. Yohanan's family members. K.P. Matthew, brother of K.P. Yohanan, was struggling a lot, came for treatment in the medical college owned by Believers Church, and he received a bill of rupees 80,000. He urged for this brother's phone number to Father Sijo, and he didn't give the number. Last month, when Matthew was COVID positive, Father Sijo didn't allow him to get admitted in the hospital. Matthew got admitted into the hospital after being pressured by Yohanan. Sometime back, CPM General Secretary Sri Kodiyeri Balakrishnan went to the United States for the treatment, and regarding this, around 70 lakhs has been transferred from Believers Church bank account. All the bank accounts and institutions are maintained by Father Sijo. It is also known that the medical college under the Believers Church was constructed in the field illegally. Father Sijo fabricated documents regarding this and won the case in the court. Father Sijo always threatened Bishop Yohanan regarding this land issue and also with the issues related to ladies coming from other states. Father Yohanan says that he is not coming back to India due to fear of death. He will either be murdered within days after his return. Father Sijo's native place is in Kannur, and he is a CPM activist. His house in Kannur, Coast, Crows, and all his relatives are in key positions. In the raid, income tax officials seized around rupees 6.5 crore from a Nissan car which was kept hidden in an underground tunnel in the parking area of the hospital. This car was brought by Father Daniel Verghese. He brought this Nissan car from a believer, Abhi Verghese, in February 2020. Abhi sold this car to Father Daniel for 3 lakhs to meet the treatment expenses of his wife who was suffering from cancer. The details in RC book were not transferred and remained in the name of Abhi Verghese. When Father Daniel and his family went to UK, he handed over this car to Father Sijo. Sijo deliberately used this car to smuggle gold and counterfeit notes. When the income tax officials reached the Believers Church early morning, around 100 cars were there in the church premises. Around rupees 67 lakhs was seized from Father Sijo's car. Only after 1 day of the raid, they could find the Nissan car. Now the people who believe in this church have filed complaints against Father Sijo to investigate about his assets, his CPM connection, and about every illicit transaction he did in the name of church. News Desk, Karma News.